Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Activation lock prevents unauthorized use after a factory reset. It ties the device to the Apple ID that set it up. You cannot legally bypass activation lock without the original credentials. Attempting unauthorized bypass methods risks violating terms of service and local law. The lawful approach is account recovery, proof of purchase, or contacting Apple support. I will explain legitimate recovery steps and required documentation for removing activation lock the right way. Start with Apple ID account recovery at iForget. Apple. Calm when you cannot sign in. Follow the multi-step verification prompts and allow the specified recovery time. If you regain access, sign into iCloud and use Find My to choose Erase iPad remotely. Erasing removes personal data while keeping activation lock tied to the Apple ID. After the erase, reactivate the iPad by signing in with the same Apple ID and password to remove activation lock. If account recovery fails, gather original proof of purchase that lists the device serial number. Contact Apple support by phone, chat, or an Apple store and explain the situation calmly. Present the receipt, invoice, or box that matches the serial number to prove ownership. Apple support will verify documents and, if valid, assist in removing activation lock. If you bought the iPad used, request the prior owner to remove it from their iCloud remotely through their Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.